Sorry for offending. It was cut by our little Qin Yang. There is a squid here. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Yuchen and his wife are leaving again. Today is the long-awaited tide. We must go to the car and the car will cause trouble. Set off, set off. Xiaoqin got on the bus. This time we were not left behind at noon. This is black and numb indefinitely. I have to go a long way today. Yes. There's a crab coming soon. I got something as soon as I arrived. How to say it? Husband and wife are of the same mind. Stand up and break gold. The days will get better and better. Will. Hey, are you coming to catch the sea too? There is also one. It should be delicious if you bring it to the jade box. I haven't eaten it yet. I'll give it to you tomorrow. Chicken snail. These two are so big. There is actually a bag here. Forgot the first bag. There's a mussel here. Lots of little stone crabs. Yes. Here is a bigger one. What kind of crab is this from? This is a flower crab, a female crab. Why do I look like I'm seeing a peeling skin? Right? Saw it. Skinned cow. Brother Hanjin, I found a crab. It looks like it's giving birth to a baby. Then he'll go over and have a look. Really, female crab? It's shelling out. It. Are you retreating? 2. A little embarrassed. You found it. It's none of my business. Is this sentiment alive? Alive. Here is a red armor. 1. Small skinned fish and small crabs. Why did you run so far, Naijin? I have another Lanhua crab here. You can't run away. Today your eyes can. Of course. Is it because the lights are brighter? That's because I have good eyesight. There's a big red one here. This red armor is so big. We are also acting now. So many crabs can be found. Yes, I'd rather pick the big one, Jane, not the small one. Small, no thickness. Fans are happy for us. What kind of plant is this? There's another crab here. I don't know if simplicity is good or not. GMA. Take a look. Sorry for offending. It belongs to our little new duck, Jane. It's really an announcement. Caught again. Look, there is a squid. Yes. There is another big fish. This is a big fish. Big fish. There are also. I thought it was a real fish. Big. Fish has no meat to eat. But it's quite enjoyable. Then there is no more meat to eat. Let it go. It's quite enjoyable. As long as it's enjoyable enough. This sea hare. I saw this. There's a squid here. Clip it. Okay. What did it come from? Fish. Have you seen this squid? It'll take the photo there. Saw it. If there is fire, this squid will be delicious if you scald it directly. What are you thinking about? There's a nest of squid here. Is Naijin hot? Take a look. Is it hot? It's hot, right? Still fresh. Cut it off. Was he killed by jellyfish? So much. Jellyfish can also cushion. Then how did he kill him? But he is hot. Then just eat it, and take care of it. What kind of fat fish is this? Little maobao. Very fun. Is that squid really edible? How many to buy? Edible. Do you want to eat in front of the hospital? Oops, let's talk about that wooden treasure. There is also a wild watermelon. I don't know what kind of crab this square yellow one is. I don't want the ones I know anymore. What about squid? There's only one squid here. Come on, there's another crab here. But I don't want you anymore. Where do these come from? I don't move either. Look at our friends in the village. We just had some bread crab. There is also a bag. It's past 4 o'clock. This bucket of miscellaneous food is enough to eat. Let's go home. Enough to cook a big pot. Come home. Gone. Go. As long as you live better than me. Good. Nothing is difficult. Until old. It's easy to adapt to other people's bodies. You took care of this squid. Quite fresh. Taro, I haven't eaten it in a long time. Sleepy, right? Yeah. Look at those fetal pig eyes. Eat as soon as you finish eating. I have to live broadcast when I wake up. I grilled some shrimps these past 2 days, selling grilled shrimp in the afternoon. Yeah. How are you feeling? It's ready to eat. Us. Just eat some yam. I used to cut this taro when I was a kid. If it doesn't work well, those hands are very good for your mouth. Yes, very nourishing. Isn't this spicy? Original flavor. Never eaten. Eat. Must you be hungry? Chinzhou with seafood. There is another alliance. I haven't eaten it in a long time. It's delicious. Wearing a row. It's okay, fans don't mind. Yeah, delicious. It's so delicious that I cried. It's so delicious. This one is high. It took us a while to pick it up and bring it home. Maybe not so vivid anymore. That tastes okay. Brother Jing eats seafood every day at home. I heard there will be heavy rain today. I don't know if we can still sell fresh food in the afternoon. Let's see again in the afternoon. Pay more after eating. Thank you. Eat it yourself. Can. It's not easy to eat this crab. It's dozens of yuan per kilogram. A few dozen yuan is the market price. If you go to the hotel, you will be weighing 168 pounds. Then we can still make it today. Haha, eat. Save the crabs for your parents to eat for lunch. Well, bye.